lot of fun, man.
Oh, dude.
I don't know about this. Huh. Bad idea? Possibly.
I think maybe we go look.
Yeah, it might be a good idea. We'll get down there a little closer and we'll portage. Park or whatever you call it.
Yeah. Man, that bluff is amazing.
Hey, that is some cool stuff right there.
The front of it looks like a face.
It does, don't it?
2 eyes and a lip.
Holy darn. I bet my Uncle Jim knows exactly where this is. He could probably tell you the name of it. Every one of these bluffs got names.
Yeah.
And I just don't remember the names of. He's told me. We just came down. Huh?
Just make sure you get my good side.
I'll have to put that in.
A lot of these.
You keep doing that through the day. I got an idea. We just came down that.
Yeah.
That was pretty fun.
A little suspicious.
Yeah, it was kind of looked up and said, oh, there's a waterfall. Oh man, having a blast.
I think this next part, let's take a little slow. I think it's deep. There's just a lot of rocks.
Yep, we just put it right along. A lot of pretty country in here.
Beautiful.
Big overhangs. A lot of people hasn't even seen these places.
Yeah.
Keep your eyes peeled for mink too. Every time I get out, I see a mink. I always catch them on video too.
Well, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah.
Swing your tail out.
All right. That's gonna be a. Let's see.
There we go.
Be a tight bend.
Just take it slow.
Yeah, we don't get sideways on one of them. That's for sure. All right, that wasn't that bad. Well, this little rough up here, we might be in a hang to the right and let it drift us to the left. Oh boy. That looks a little rough, don't it?
A little bit.
Yeah, we'll be all right.
Let's shoot for this gap right here.
All right. Whoo, that water's cold. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's nice. Rapidly. We've been getting some hard rain. Uh-oh. You're doing good. There you go. All right. Hell yeah.
Let's stop you, bro.
Yeah, that's a good spot right here.
Yeah.
Get out on bank fish a little bit, you want to?
Yeah. Man, I might jump off of that. Dude. Good job.
That was crazy, boy. Especially the waterfall.
Yeah.
That was crazy.
Yeah, this is a good spot. Do some fishing, and
I like this.
I want to see how deep it is over there.
Yeah. Take the goggles.
Yes.
Yeah. Goggle it out.
Goggle it out.
I see. Oh, look at that bass right there.
Yep.
There's a bass. I see a goggle eye too. Man, we're gonna catch some of these. We're about to catch us some supper. Little smallmouth. Yeah, hook out his mouth. Pretty one, ain't he?
Nice, dude. Heck yeah.
Yeah. All right. Huh?
This is beautiful.
Oh yeah. Pretty country for sure. Oh yeah.
Good work.
All right. A decent one.
A small smallie, still a smallie.
Yeah, small smallie, still a smallie. Pretty little fish.
Yeah, they are.
We're gonna find out what's in there one way or the other.
What's in them waters?
What's in them waters, I say? Could it be a marlin?
Oh man, hopefully these work. Yeah, I can see myself. Oh my god, it's cold. That's so cold. It's a little chilly.
We have found us some new bait. Cubby tree has got some cubby worms on it, and cubby worms is a really good bait. So we just have to figure out how to get them down now.
Yeah, he's way up there.
Watch, see if you see any fall. None yet.
I don't think so.
Huh?
I don't think so. I got an idea.
Throw a stick?
Yeah.
That's a good idea. Oh, I got one more limb here to try. Still nothing. Yeah, I guess it's stick game. Pretty cool rock. I'll take it home.
Deer coming through here.
Yeah. See what we got over there. Oh yeah. That's good sized deer too. Coon too.
Yep. Yep. Yeah, man, that's a good
There's a cubby. Hey, there's something big over here. What's this?
Oh yeah.
That might be a hog.
That's real big.
Might be a bear. Almost looks like a round trap. Wow, look at it. You can see it come all the way out here.
Yeah.
That had to have been a big old hog or something. Sure that wasn't a horse, was it? You see where it come out this way? I mean, a big old track. That had to have been a hog. We wasn't allowed throwing sticks on the lawn, was we? For rabbits? I can't remember. Can't remember.
All right. Ready?
Yep. I see at least a few. Might be something get us some food anyway. Well, you hit it. That thing's hanging on tight, ain't he?
Yeah, buddy.
He knows what we're up to. Uh-oh. He's done for now, buddy. Here.
Yes.
Take him down there and put him on your line and I'll get me one. That's some good stuff there.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh yeah, you'll have something on him. No time. I seen one earlier. He was closer down here to the bottom. Now I don't see him. Oh, there's one. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Did I lose my stick? I think I lost my stick. More than anything. Huh?
Did you get him?
No, I lost my stick. Oh. Might can find an easier one around here somewhere. I see where they've been chewing.
Here you go.
Oh yeah, that's a better stick.
And another one over there.
Okay, two. Where's the two at? I'm gonna go for them.
Right, straight above me here.
All right.
You see him?
Yeah, I see one.
Very
of them.
top.
Boy, it's gonna be hard to throw.
Oh, there he goes.
All right. That's a good one too.
Dude, excellent work, man.
Oh yeah. Good old Cubby worm.
This is my old man Cubberson's cane.
Good morning, Mr. Fishwick. You can't beat floating.
Nope. Not at all.
Good clear creek. Enough water to actually float. Canoe's just as calm and quiet.
Got some shallow on this side. Got a boulder in the middle over here.
Okay. Which way you think we ought to go?
Try to shoot it.
All right. That one's gonna be a...
I believe we'll drag on that one. Oh, look at that.
Oh yeah. Man, that's some big bluffs there. Huh.
Wow. We might hit.
Good chance of that one. Oh. If it was a torpedo, we just barely scraped by.
Man, look at that.
That's good stuff there.
Yeah, dude. I'm sure that there was like, I could imagine like a village or something like right up there
Oh yeah.
on the very top. Because look at that, you have like perfect view of this creek.
That's
but
what
also this creek probably didn't look a lot like this whenever.
it could. You never know. You know, they said that they did like places like that. They can sit and watch the water.
Yeah.
Because that's the way everybody traveled. You know.
Yeah, you can see anybody coming here.
Yep. That's pretty.
Gorgeous. Do you want to?
I if you want to, we'll catch a couple for bait.
For bait or eating if we don't catch them.
That's true. Yeah, we might need to catch some. Big old crawdad there. I might have to chase him down for supper. I got a good size one on the run. Yeah. He thinks he's hid right now. Yeah. Not a bad one.
Yeah, buddy.
8 in size. Surely. This one has something under it. Ooh. Surely. Come on, big blue. Where are you?
Wait for me next time, old man. What are you, like a year older than me?
Just by a year.
Dude, look at that one.
Yeah, that's a blue. He won't pinch you hard either. He can't pinch you very. He'll run plumb to the bank. All right, that's one to eat. That look too good to not have one. Whew. That's the kind we want right there. Uh-huh. Good old blues. Well, I've caught some big ones out of these creeks. Not this creek, but that's good to know they're in this creek.
Yeah, buddy.
All right, we're going to get us some mimosa flowers.
Mimosa flowers.
Make us some tea out of. They're really pretty flowers.
Some right there. Mimosa tea makes you happy.
Yeah.
Happy, happy, happy.
Boy, them silkies, they're something else.
Yeah, buddy. This one's loaded.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
They smell good too, don't they?
Oh man, they taste just like they smell.
Do they really? Yeah. These are my favorite flowers, so. Oh yeah, that smells good.
It almost has like a sweet flavor without sugar. I mean, you can also use the bark.
Really?
Yeah, you can scrape the bark off the limbs and use that in the tree or a tea. There you go. It's a good little haul. Yeah, that'll make us some tea right there, buddy.
All right. Overhang right up there. I'll bet you there's something real special in there. Pretty cool stuff. Hear that? Another big bluff. All right. Heck yeah, that's a good one there. Oh yeah. Nice one.